So no, I'm not afraid of AI. I'm leaning into it with intention, optimism, and a clear purpose to serve more people, to deepen human connection, and to keep showing up in the moments that matter most.
Help me welcome to the stage Alan Stein Jr.
I'm not afraid of AI. In fact, I see it as a tool, one that can supplement and enhance the mission I've dedicated my life to, helping people perform at a higher level and live more fulfilled, intentional lives. AI isn't here to replace what I do. It can't replicate the energy of a live event. It can't look someone in the eye, shake their hand, or feel the power of a shared moment in a packed auditorium. But it can help me research faster, organize ideas more efficiently, and reach more people with my message. Used the right way, AI is an amplifier. It helps me go deeper with my content, sharper with my message, and broader with my impact. But in order for you to truly win, both today and in the future, you have to be willing to embrace new strategies, new techniques, new technologies, AI. So you have to be, as leaders, you have to be curious. You have to be innovative, and you have to be courageous enough to know, as Jennifer has said several times, that what has gotten you here will not get you there. And it's those of you that are able to blend mastery of the fundamentals and the basics with the innovative curiosity and courageousness to adopt new technologies and new ways of doing things, your ability to blend those two things is what will make you all unbeatable.
Here, if you have an iPhone, you know that at least once a quarter, iPhone upgrades its operating system. Now, why do they do this? And I would assume the other brands and carriers do the same, but why does Apple do this? Well, in the short term, they do it to eliminate bugs and make sure your device runs as smoothly as possible. But in the big picture, Apple does it because they understand in order to stay relevant, they have to constantly evolve. They have to constantly iterate. They have to constantly improve. They have to constantly develop. They can never stay complacent because they don't want to be stagnant.
And here's what I truly believe. The more people rely on AI, the more they'll crave real human connection. In a world of algorithms and automation, interpersonal skills become a competitive advantage. Empathy, active listening, body language, storytelling, these are all things machines can't replicate. These are human skills, and they'll only become more valuable as AI continues to grow. That's why I believe that live experiences, conferences, seminars, retreats will become more important and more valuable over time, not less. People will want to be in rooms filled with energy. They'll want to connect, collaborate, and grow in real time with real people. They'll want to feel something authentic because no matter how advanced technology becomes, nothing replaces a genuine conversation, a heartfelt connection, or a shared electricity of a live event. As they say, change is the only constant. Business is constantly changing. Your industry, no matter what industry you're in, is constantly changing. Customer expectations are constantly changing. Ignoring, fighting, or resisting these changes will only lead to one thing: your extinction. I encourage you to lean into these changes and change alongside them. Continue to focus on the basics, on the fundamentals, and on proven principles while you simultaneously innovate, stretch, take risks, and embrace AI. That is how you win in 2026 and beyond.